So today, for a repair, I've got this tub and it's leaking, or it's just dripping. You can see the mark down there from where it's dripping. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix the washers on it. It doesn't look like there's anywhere to shut the water off coming to the faucet. So there's nowhere to really shut that off closer, so I'm just going to shut off the water to the whole house. Okay, so I opened a faucet down in the basement. Now I'm going to open these up to drain the water. And then to take this off, there's just a little detents in here. Take a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, and just kind of pry it up. We've got that top there, you can see the little clips. Here you can see there's a Phillips screw holding the knob in place. I'm going to take that out. Then this should just lift right off. And then this chrome ring should spin off. And then there's a nut on here. You're going to take a big wrench, take that off. Then that's going to be holding, then this should just slide out. And then that's our valve there. So it looks like there's just a little O-ring back there. So it looks like this is all I need. So I'm going to run up to the store and see if I can get something like this. So I just took a little trip down to the hardware store and I couldn't find these seats and springs individually, but I was able to find it in the 50 pack, so I don't know. And I was able to find the entire cartridge, but I thought I might as well not risk getting the wrong one and just get the seats, because the cartridge seems good. Yeah, they look pretty similar, and the spring looks a lot more worn. It does look like the right size. So let me see if I can get it in. Looks like it's going to be perfect. And then I think I'm just going to polish this up a little bit. Otherwise, I think it's fine. Okay, so I'm just going to put the spring in. Fits, and then I'll put the seat in. Alright, so there it is in there. So now I'm going to just polish up the other part, and I think we're good. Okay, so these guys just come apart like this. And so I pulled that out. This O-ring seems pretty good, so I'm just going to take a little grease. I'm going to grease this up. Just a little grease. Put that back in, and then I polish that a little bit. I don't think that's necessary. And then I got some new O-rings. And that giant pack and the O-rings together cost me about 10 bucks. So I'm going to put this O-ring right there. Actually, right here. Right, and just put a little grease on it. A little grease on here. And slide that in. Put the nut back on. Screw this back on. And then we're done. All you have to do is put the cap back on, but we're going to wait on that and get this other one over here done. And so here I have it all together. Polished up the chrome a little bit. Looks like $1,000,000. It's 28 years old and it's working like it's brand new again.